Hello everyone, this is Rakesh. Today is day 6 and you are learning English with Rakesh. As I have already told you, today we will practice some sentences about this or those. Okay? Now, yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, we with this or those. Wait a second, man. With this or those we use आर. दिज और दोज के साथ हम आर का यूज करते हैं. ये आपको पता भी होगा और मैंने पिछले वीडियो में बताया भी है. दिज मीन्स होता है ये और ये सब नज़दीक की वस्तुओं के लिए यूज होता है. दोज मीन्स वे या वे सब जो दूर की वस्तुओं को इंडिकेट करने के लिए किया जाता है. तो दिज आर, दोज आर. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू there is only one month which I have, that is practice. You can learn English, you can learn any language by practicing, so you have to practice with me. Okay, now let's start. Here Mr. A asks, are these books? Sorry, here is books. First of all, I have written books here, so you have to practice with me. Are these books? आर दिज बुक्स, क्या ये सब किताबें हैं? क्या ये सब पुस्तकें हैं? यस दिज आर बुक्स. यस दिज आर बुक्स. यस दिज आर बुक्स. आप नो में भी आंसर दे सकते हैं. नो दिज आर नॉट बुक्स. दिज आर नॉट बुक्स. दिज आर Now, next sentence is, are these pens? Are these pens? First of all, you have to practice like this. Are these pens? Are these pens? Yes, these are pens. Yes, answer is yes, these are pens. If you answer in the negative sentence, you can say, no, these are not pens. No, these are not pens. आर दिज पेन्स, क्या ये सब कलमे हैं? यस दिज आर पेन्स. या नो दिज आर नॉट पेन्स. आर दिज काउज? यस दिज आर काउज. या नो दिज आर नॉट काउज. नो दिज आर नॉट काउज. आर दिज टॉयज? क्या ये खिलौने हैं? यस दिज आर टॉयज. यस दिज आर टॉयज. नो दिज आर नॉट टॉयज. आर दिज जीन्स? यस these are jeans. One thing I must tell you, jeans is a plural subject. jeans, एक जींस जो हम जिस पहनते हैं वो प्लूरल होता है. we can't say I have a jeans. we have to say I have jeans, or we can say I have a pair of jeans. Okay, jeans is plural. So practice with me. Are these jeans? Yes, these are jeans. Are these bikes? Yes, these are bikes. Are these cars? Yes, these are cars. No, these are not cars. These are bikes. Excuse me. Are these your books? देखिए, सबसे पहले आप पूछते हैं, किस तरह से पूछते हैं? देखिए, Are these books? क्या ये सब पुस्तकें हैं? Are these your books? जब आपको आंसर मिल जाता है Are these books का, जैसे Are these books? जब आपको आर दिस बुक्स का आंसर मिल जाता है तो आप पूछते हैं, एक स्टेप आगे जाकर पूछते हैं, आर दिस योर बुक्स? जैसे देखिए, आर दिस बुक्स? क्या ये पुस्तकें हैं? यस दिस आर बुक्स. हाँ ये पुस्तकें हैं. आर दिस योर बुक्स? क्या ये आपकी पुस्तकें हैं? यस दिस आर माई बुक्स. एक्सक्यूज मी, आर दिस बुक्स? आर दिस बुक्स? यस दिस आर बुक्स. Are these your books? Yes, these are my books. Are these cows? Yes, these are cows. Are these your cows? Yes, these are my cows. Are these pens? Are these your pens? Yes, these are my pens. Are these your cows? Yes, these are my cows. Are these your toys? Yes, these are my toys. Are these your jeans? Yes, these are my jeans. You have to practice like this. Okay, you can also answer in negative sentence. Are these your books? No, these are not. These are not my books. These are not my books. Are these your books? Are these your books? Are these your books? No, these are not. You have to practice like this. No, these are not. These are not. These are not my books. These are not my books. Are these your pens? No, these are not my pens. These are not my pens. Are these your cows? Are these your cows? Are these your cows? No, these are not my cows. No, these are not my cows. Are these your toys? No, these are not my toys. Are these your jeans? No, these are not my jeans. Are these your bikes? Are these your bikes? No, these are not my bikes. Now, we have to practice with pronoun. Are these shirts? Are these shirts? क्या ये shirts आपका है? Are these shirts yours? Yes, these shirts. ये shirts this के साथ shirt है यहाँ. Yes, these shirts are mine. योर का आंसर माइन होगा. मैंने एरो का साइन दिया हुआ है दोस्तों. लुक एट हियर. Are these shirts? Are these shirts yours? Yes, these shirts are mine. क्या ये shirts आपका है? Yes, these shirts are mine. Are these shirts his? Wait a second, man. Wait a second. Are these shirts his? क्या ये शर्ट्स उसका है? क्या ये शर्ट्स उसका है? यस, दिस शर्ट्स आर हिज. हाँ, ये शर्ट उसका है. हाँ, ये शर्ट्स उसका है. आर दिस शर्ट्स हर्स? यस, दिस शर्ट्स आर हर्स. यस, दिस शर्ट्स आर हर्स. आर दिस शर्ट्स देयर्स? आर दिस शर्ट्स देयर्स उन लोगों का है? यस, दिस शर्ट्स आर देयर्स. आर दिस शर्ट्स आर्स? यस, दिस शर्ट्स आर आर्स. हम लोगों का है. अब हम लोग निगेटिव में आंसर देंगे. आई हैव नॉट रिटन हियर बट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी. वेट अ सेकेंड. आर दिस शर्ट्स yours? No, these shirts are not mine. These shirts are not mine. Are these shirts his? उसका है. No, these shirts are not his. These shirts are not his. Are these shirts hers? No, these shirts are not hers. Are these shirts hers? No, these shirts are not hers. Are these shirts theirs? No, these shirts are not theirs. Are these shirts ours? No, these shirts are not ours. Now get to the next page. Here we have to practice sentence with those. Those means वे या वे सब. Are those? जब भी हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो इंग्लिश में क्या है, आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. Are those? Are those? Are those? Are those? Are those books? Are those books? क्या वे की पुस्तकें हैं? आर दोज बुक्स? यस, दोज आर बुक्स. उसके बाद कहना है यस, दोज आर बुक्स. यस, दोज आर बुक्स. आर दोज पेन्स? यस, दोज आर पेन्स. आर दोज काउज? यस, दोज आर काउज. आर दोज टॉयज? यस, दोज आर टॉयज. आर दोज जेंस? यस, दोज आर जेंस. आर दोज कार्स? यस, दोज आर कार्स. आर दोज बाइक्स? यस, दोज आर बाइक्स. नो में भी आंसर दे सकते हैं आप. नो, दोज आर नॉट बाइक्स. दोज आर नॉट बुक्स. दोज आर नॉट पेन्स. दोज आर नॉट काउज. दोज आर नॉट टॉयज. दोज आर नॉट जेंस. दोज आर नॉट कार्स. दोज आर नॉट बाइक्स. नाउ लुक एट हियर. आर दोज योर बुक्स? क्या वे आपकी पुस्तकें हैं? Are those your books? Yes, those are my books. Yes, those are my books. Are those your pens? Are those your pens? Yes, those are my pens. Are those your cows? Yes, those are my cows. Are those your toys? Yes, those are my toys. Are those your jeans? Yes, those are my jeans. Are those your bikes? Yes, those are my bikes. Are those your bikes? Books. I have written books here, so you have to practice. You can also say book, bike, whatever you want to say, you can say. Okay. Now look at here. Are those your books? In negative sentence, how will you answer? No. Start with no. No, those are not. Those are not books. Are those your books? Repeat with me. Are those your books? No, those are not my books. Those are not my books. Those are not my books. Are those your pens? Are those your pens? No, those are not my pens. Those are not my pens. Those are not my pens. Are those your cows? Are those your cows? No, those are not my cows. Those are not my cows. Are those your toys? No, those are not my toys. Those are not my toys. Are those your jeans? No, those are not my jeans. Are those your bikes? No, those are not my bikes. Are those bikes? Are those bikes? क्या वे बाइक्स आपकी है? Are those bikes yours? Yes, those bikes are mine. Yes, those bikes are mine. Are those bikes his? Yes, those bikes are his. Are those bikes hers? Yes, those bikes are hers. Are those bikes theirs? उन लोगों की है. Yes, those bikes are theirs. Are those bikes ours? Yes, those bikes are ours. हमारी है. Now look at here. Are those not your bikes? Are those not your bikes? Are those not your bikes? Yes, those are not my bikes. Yes, those are not my bikes. Are those your cars? Are those your cars? No, those are not my cars. Those are not my cars. Are those your cell phones? Are those not your cell phones? No, those are not my cell phones. No, those are not my cell phones. So bye bye friend. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.